Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the product data management. Product data management is a system for managing design data and engineering process in one central location. Engineering teams use a PDM software to organize product related information, track revision, collaborate, manage change orders, generate bill of material and more. And it is a part of a PLM. In PLM, you will cover whole process. So it will take more time for installation and more feasibility options are there, and the cost wise it is very high. But PDM is a part of your PLM. It's mainly related to or focused to with respect to your product. So installation will be very less, and cost wise the operating cost of the software will be very less. Before starting the session, I would like to play a small video regarding the introduction to PDM or how the PDMs are very useful to the organization.
Max is annoyed. As the person responsible for product development in an industrial company, one of his jobs, amongst others, is to comply with scheduling and quality requirements. But time and again, deadlines are missed. Since the company produces complex products with many components, a delay in one single department can disturb the whole manufacturing process. This again leads to a delay in the delivery of products to customers, and to a reprimand from the management. However, Max and his team cannot really be blamed. The company was expanded in recent years and developed new product ranges, but the processes and procedures within the company have not grown. There are shortcomings in the cooperation between the various departments, with field offices, and with external partners. Designers are working on different versions of the same file, designing parts that already exist, changing parts colleagues are already producing, and everyone is looking for the information they need. These small inefficiencies result in immediate delays. The management is therefore considering investing in a system for product data management. Initially, Max is not too keen on this idea. For him, this is merely a further efficiency improvement measure, for which he and his team will have to take the consequences. However, when he finally meets an employee of a NEO at the company for the first time, Max can be convinced in person. First of all, it's the departments themselves that profit from the advantages of a PDM system. Now, there is only one unique version of each file, and users within the various departments have access to the information they need. The clear standards and easy communication avoid unnecessary work and reduce stress and frustration. The operation of the PDM system is easy and intuitive as well. Plus, costly mistakes can also be avoided, and the data is backed up, saving much time and money in the end. However, the introduction of a PDM system requires good planning. That makes it all the more important to have an experienced and reliable partner, so that your project ultimately meets the expectations. In NEO, with 270 employees across 12 locations in Germany, England, and Switzerland, not only offers the necessary expertise in product development and IT, but also the experience and know-how learned from numerous successful PDM projects. Start your PDM project now at aneo.co.uk/PDM.
You can see the difference between PLM and PDM in this video.
Hi, today we will talk about the difference between PDM implementation and PLM implementation. SMEs do not want to spend on PLM implementation, but mostly they buy and install the PLM software for PDM use. Vendors also are happy to install the PDM since it takes less time and cost. Now let's see how PDM implementation works. A quick PDM is fast and easy to install without much implementation cost. A quick installation is planned with live users on system in 1 to 2 weeks. Business resources are limited. Admin gives all the requirements and sign off without much involvement from users. Vendors trains users directly on limited modules. There is very limited or no support after go live. Now let's see how PLM implementation works. PLM is sold as a system, with proper cost for implementation. Proper cost-benefit analysis and ROI calculations are shown. and project charter is made. It is very clear to customer why PLM is needed and what problems it will solve. Detailed implementation plan is made which gives enough time to users to understand system, explain their requirements, see demos and trainings. Existing processes are mapped to new processes in the PLM system. Organizational change management is planned and executed. New roles are defined. And people feels the change. Different departments get involved in defining new processes. And silos are broken. Top management also gets involved. Project phases or sprints are carried out in agile approach to deliver each functionality. Users get more time to understand new system and make it user-friendly. Vendor trains the key users. And then key users modify training material as per business content and train business users. Normally 2 to 3 months support is provided by vendor after go live. Now we'll quickly check the conclusion. Quick PDM takes less time and cost but with limited functionality. Limited support after go live. A complete PLM takes time to implement since it has all functionality needed with dedicated support after go live. Some of the benefits of PLM are, it is a single source of truth. It increases sales, reduce product development costs, drive innovation, and reduces compliance risks.
The major components of the PDM is electronic valves are data depository, second one is your user function, and third one is your utility function. Under the electronic valves are data depositories, mainly the product of data, that means basic information of the data will be there and their metadata. Under the user function, document management, that means how the documents are arranged, in which way it has to be shared to the people, like that. Process and workflow, that means the process of the operations of the projects will be in streamlined flow. Product structure management, classification of management, and the project as well as your program management will come under the user function. Under the utility functions, communication and notification, that means if any changes happening in the project, so it has to share to everyone, so then only the updates will reach the people, and the data transport as well as that data translation, which way it is translating, image service, system administration, and application integration. Under the application integration, interfaces, workflow management system, and the system administration functionality. So those things will come under the application integration.